we are traveling to Australia for a show. Everyone, Tom looks after a part in Australian cricket, so he's flying with us.
We're ready for Australia.
We're ready for Australia. We are heading for the next flight. हाय एवरीवन, सो आज का सफ़र कुछ अलग है, कुछ नया है और आज हिंदुस्तान के बाहर जा रहे हैं बड़े दिनों के बाद। और आज हमारे साथ काफ़ी सारे सितारे सफ़र करेंगे। उससे पहले हमारे पहले जो सितारे हैं जजील भाई है। जजील भाई इज़ वन ऑफ द पीपल who is coordinating for this event, and we are traveling to Australia for a show called Villain Night, and we are traveling with Ashish sir, then Mukesh Rishi ji, Kulshan ji and Shefali Zariwala. आज हमारे साथ हैं ऋषि सर जो हमारे साथ ऑलमोस्ट एक हफ्ता रहेंगे इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया। और बचपन में हम उनको एक मूवी में जो फेमस होते थे जिसमें हमारे कॉमेडियन ने आपके नाम पे एक इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल बनाया जिसका नाम है साहिल बनाया। So today I have a very interesting friend with me. I'm meeting him for the very first time. His name is Tom. Hi Tom.
Hi Ruben, how are you?
I'm doing good, Tom. Welcome to my channel.
Thank you, good to be here.
So everyone, Tom looks after a part in Australian cricket. Tom, I want to now know something about it.
Well, India is a big country for us in terms of reaching a lot of Indian fans. Indians love their cricket.
Right. The cricket is in our genes, that's what we see.
Yeah, so we love working with the Indian fans and our Indian brands and really enjoying cricket together.
So he said that he met yesterday Mr. Anil Kumble, Matthew Hayden, and who else was there?
Robert Utapa, Steve Waugh.
Oh, Steve Waugh, yeah, one of my favorites.
So Kumble and Utapa and Steve Waugh and Matthew Hayden had a cook-off. The Aussies cooked the lamb and the Indians cooked the vegetarian dish. So it was a good challenge.
That's very interesting. I'm jealous now, Tom. So today we are flying to Melbourne and I'm flying business class. So right now we have two flights interconnected, Mumbai to Colombo and Colombo to, I'll show you how it is, and especially the 9 hours flight which will be taking from Colombo to Melbourne. So I'll show you that. So we are now about to take off. And so is sitting there. So is flying with us. Mukesh is sitting there. Jazil, say hi.
Oh, nice. Okay.
It's time to take off. Say take off.
We're ready for Australia.
We're ready for Australia. So all excited and see you in Australia. Just take off from India और हमारा साथ ही साथ खाना पीना चालू हो गया। So we have given us some cashews, apple juice. We will start with some lamb and this one. The lamb and rice. The food is outstanding. We have some chaat as well. Show you some chaat. Bring us some chaat here. Dessert is there. A paratha is there. So this is a halal meat. So while you book your ticket, you can usually book a halal meat for yourself. Let's try some chaat. Some sushi chaat. इसके आगे की जर्नी बहुत लंबी है, लगभग 9 घंटे की है, तो उसमें भी खाना देखते क्या आता है कमल में। तो हमारी पहली फ्लाइट एक्चुअली हो चुकी है डिले फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 45 मिनट्स। तो हमें देखते हैं कि हमें सेकेंड फ्लाइट मिलती है कि। तो Tom, sorry to disturb you. Aren't you worried that the first flight was delayed for 45 minutes? Will we be able to catch the next flight?
No, we'll be completely fine. They don't fly too often from London to Melbourne, so they'll wait for us.
So now we have to wait and watch. Will we be able to catch the next flight after this?
I guarantee you we'll have the next flight. We'll be fine. Yeah.
Okay, so he says that we'll be able to fly the next flight. So wait and watch. We are crossing Madurai. We're just going above Madurai. अभी हम 1 घंटे में लैंड करना चाहिए फॉर श्रीलंका 490 kilometers if you can see properly 43 minutes to go so we are 1 hour late and let's see if we can make it for the flight. We just landed in Colombo, Sri Lanka. Now we have a transfer to another flight which will lead to Melbourne, Australia. So we just landed, now heading towards the next flight for Melbourne at the Sri Lankan airport. We are heading for the next flight. Sir, anxiety. He is running ahead to catch the flight. Sir, बैग पहुंचा कि नहीं पहले वो पूछ लीजिए. बैग नहीं पहुंचा है. बैग नहीं पहुंचा है. बैग नहीं पहुंचा है. Colombo to Melbourne now. We got the flight, second flight. It's 1 o'clock in the night. We are sitting in business class. I'll be giving a tour about the business class, how it feels and what services do you get in business class and what is the comfort, the money which you pay for कि कितना कंफर्ट मिलता है वो सब चीज़ में. So वो सारी चीज़ें मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा. खाना क्या है वो भी दिखाऊंगा कि खाना क्या मिल रहा है and all that. So I'll be showing you and covering you all that stuff. श्रीलंका से टेक ऑफ कर रहे हैं हम और आगे का सफ़र आपको दिखाते रहेंगे कैसे चल रहा है. तो कुछ थोड़ा सो जाएंगे और कुछ आपको बताएंगे कि क्या लंच है, क्या डिनर है, क्या ब्रेकफास्ट मिल रहा है. कि कल हम 3 बजे और 3:30 को ऑस्ट्रेलिया में हम लैंड करेंगे, मेलबर्न में लैंड करेंगे. सो आई विल बी शोइंग यू ऑल दैट. मुंबई टू श्रीलंका की जो फ़्लाइट ली उसका मैंने आपको कुछ फिल्म्स बताया. दैट एयरक्राफ्ट वाज अ लिटिल ओल्डर. आई विल बी शोइंग यू समथिंग फ्रॉम माय फ्लाइट. सो we are currently at Colombo. We will be flying up till Sri Lanka. And Sri Lanka so we will be reaching to Australia. That's too far. 858 kilometers. Like I've reclined it completely. और मेरा कुछ मील्स का मैंने ऑर्डर दे दिया है. तो अब मेरा मील आएगा. Somebody has booked a biryani for me. मेरी टीम ने बुक किया for a biryani. So in this flight I cannot cover any crew members. They have asked me not to cover any crew members. So I won't be covering it. So I'll be showing you what all things I've got. I've got a socks. I've got a eye band to sleep properly. I have a sleep-ons, like sleepers. They've given me sleepers. There's a blanket to cover. There's a headphones for myself where I can check movies. There are almost more than 190 movies are there. In fact, there are movies in Hindi as well. So people traveling from India who doesn't speak English, for them also उनके लिए काफ़ी सारा एंटरटेनमेंट है मेरे लिए. तो इसकी कोई टेंशन लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. सर फ्रंट रो में बैठे हैं. शेफाली हमारे साथ है. मुकेश ऋषि हमारे साथ है. जजील हमारे साथ है. गुलशन जी कल वो मुंबई से फ्लाइट लेंगे, उनका कुछ आज काम था तो इसलिए शायद आज वो नहीं आ पाए. सो so you're all set for business class. It's worthwhile flying from Sri Lankan Airlines. It's very nice. पहली flight थोड़ी सी जूनी थी, but second one, the long hour flight, like 9-hour flight, is perfectly. So this is my coupe, like a proper coupe for me. जो भी आप देख रहे हो, ये proper मेरा coupe है. So in a row there are 4 seats and it can recline like a proper bed. बेडिंग बना के वो दे देते हैं हमें सोने के लिए. So 9 घंटे कब ख़त्म हो जाएंगे हमें पता भी नहीं चलेगा. आपको मैं वॉशरूम भी दिखाऊंगा इसका कि कैसे दिखता है बिज़नेस क्लास का वॉशरूम. So that's how a business class looks like in Sri Lankan Airlines. That's how we travel Sri Lanka. So मैं आपको अभी का मील्स भी बताऊंगा क्या क्या वो कवर करते हैं. So this is the menu for tonight. और मैंने मंगाया है जाफना shrimp kochu, chopped roti served to you with shrimps and gravy. That's what I've ordered. Let's see how it comes. I'm enjoying my movie with up dinner के साथ. So again we have cashew nuts as a first food of this flight. They have served as a cashew nut and fresh fruit juice. I had tender coconut water, like fresh flour. It was not preservative, so I always like tender coconut. So मैंने tender coconut लिया मैंने and it was amazing. So this is a shrimp meal which they have served me. That's shrimp, that's potato salad, that's butter, again small pepper, salt for some extra salt, and it looks like a croissant to me. So let's taste how a shrimp tastes on Sri Lankan Airlines. Sri Lanka is very famous for seafood, so let's see how it tastes. Extraordinarily cooked. That's potato salad. It's amazing. 10 out of 10 for a Sri Lankan business airlines. Extraordinary food, extraordinary service. Everything's super nice. The dinner which they serve me for both the flights is amazing. Shrimp and झींगा. झींगा खाने का मज़ा ही अलग है. रोज़ों लेते हैं हम. It's a garlic bread. No, croissant, it's a garlic bread. Like a proper stars are coming in the flight. What a decor Star Alliance, Sri Lankan Airlines ने डाला है. It's looking so beautiful. What economic classes.
Please hand over all such items to the crew, who will be in the cabin shortly.
For the flush,
More required
some
rooms,
meal starters,
seatbelt signs switched on. Thank you.
tissues. So business class washrooms are all the same. So अभी श्रीलंकन एयरलाइंस की तरफ से हमें ये छोटा सा बैग मिला है जिसमें यूजुअली टॉयलेटरीज होती है. आई विल ट्राई टू शो यू व्हाट इज देयर इनसाइड. It has recent toothbrush, tissues. So basically, good morning. I just woke up. It's 2.5 hours left for Melbourne, and they have started with the breakfast. My fresh juice is here. This is the kit which they gave us. This is a kit which they gave me last night. This has a comb, toothbrush, toothpaste, some moisturizer, and some other things. So this is a complimentary which they provide usually in business class. अब ब्रेकफास्ट देखते क्या आता है और मैं आपको बताता हूँ ब्रेकफास्ट में क्या है.
We have Tozom, maple syrup, some fresh curd, fresh fruit, an omelette with chicken fetus, and some chicken sausages. So that's how the spread is given breakfast. The fresh fruit juice. So this is the second meal of the day which they have given us. And the flight is around 10 hours, so this is the second meal which I'm getting. That was experience in Sri Lankan Airlines business class. आपको मैंने खाना बताया क्या क्या मिलता है. राइट फ्रॉम इंडिया से हमने फ़्लाइट चेंज करी कोलंबो में, फिर हमने मेलबर्न के लिए सेकेंड फ्लाइट में बैठे. सो दोनों का बिजनेस क्लास अलग था, मैंने दोनों दिखाया. बट फ्रॉम फॉर अ लॉन्ग आवर फ्लाइट दिस फ्लाइट वॉज वे कंफर्टेबल देन व्हाट वी वर सिटिंग अर्लियर. So yeah, the experience was 10 out of 10. And excited to be starting the Australia tour from today. The planning for the shows are going on from those past 3 months. There are a lot of hiccups, ups and downs. We got the visa 2 days prior to the show date, prior to the travel date. So after clearing all those things, and now we're reaching to Australia, so it's just like a dream coming true. I always wanted to explore Australia for shows and events, so this is my first time in Australia doing this. Is a different kind of an event. It's not a stand-up comedy or a music concert. It's more or less like a guest and meet and greet kind of a thing with Bollywood celebrities. So the concept for the shows is called Villain Nights. I'll be attaching the poster somewhere here. Villain Nights, where Gulshan ji, Ashish Vidyarthi ji, Mukesh Rishi, and there's also a Kata Laga girl, very famous Kata Laga girl. There's a song called Kata Laga. Shefali Jariwala, so she is also part of this thing. And apart from that, a couple of DJs are coming from India, which let's see if I will be able to cover them or not. So yeah, stay tuned. And yes, this vlog is going to be very interesting because it's more or less I will be showing a different part of the world. This is one of the continents which I'll be showing you. Very soon in future, few more such big shows are lined up for international tours. I'll be posting about that once it get completely confirmed about it. Here the tour begins. So we just landed, now heading towards immigration. जजिल भाई गलत है, आप शॉर्टकट में निकल रहे हो. शॉर्टकट में निकल रहे हो. So that was an e-passport counter which India starts soon. सर का बैंटर चालू हो गया.
मुझे नहीं पता, हमें सब कुछ आता है, बहुत समझाना पड़ रहा है इसको यार. अब देखो ना, बार बार पूछी जा रहा है. मैं इसका भर रहा हूँ, फॉर्म भर रहा हूँ मैं इसका. भरो यार, फॉर्म में तेरा है. ये किसका फॉर्म है सर? खाली फॉर्म भर. ये वाला देखिए, तो मैंने मेडिसिन का कर दिया. ये सब नॉन है क्या?
अब मीट, पोल्ट्री, ग्रेन, सीड्स, एनिमल, कोई गाय बकरी नहीं लेके आए हो?
सब नो है.
सब नो है.
Filling this form is the biggest task. लगेज तो आ गया, बट एक दिक्कत है ऑस्ट्रेलिया में, कोई बाथरूम में जेट स्प्रे नहीं है. सर एक दिक्कत है सर, जेट स्प्रे नहीं है इस देश में. प्रॉब्लम है, ये जंग हो गई भी साथ में.
फेस स्प्रे मिलता है, ये भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं.
यहाँ DGI का प्रदर्शन हो रहा है जी, सारे DGI में.
सामान आ गया, क्या बात है.